In this video, I'll guide you through how to write on Substack step by step so you can go from a blank page to a published article with confidence. Whether you're starting a new newsletter or just trying out the platform, we'll cover everything you need to know for a smooth first publish. First, open your browser and go to substack.com. If you don't already have an account, you'll be prompted to sign up or log in, but the main idea is to get yourself onto the Substack dashboard. This is home base for all your writing, publishing, and audience tools. Once you're on your dashboard, look for the button or link labeled Create. This is usually easy to spot near the top or side of the screen. Click Create to begin making a new piece of content. Substack gives you a few options here, depending on the type of content you want to publish. Today, I'll show you how to write on Substack using the standard article format, which is what you'll use for most newsletter-style posts. After clicking Create, choose the option that says Article. This opens up the main editor, where you'll be doing all your writing and formatting. At the top of the editor, you'll see a space for your title, and just below it, you have the option to add a subtitle. Go ahead and add a subtitle if it makes sense for your piece. A good subtitle adds a bit more context or a short explanation of what the article is about. It's optional, but it can help draw readers in and clarify your main idea at a glance. Below the title and subtitle is where you start writing. Click into the main body area and begin drafting your article. You can type directly in the editor, paste in text from somewhere else, or gradually build it out section by section. Take your time here, write your introduction, your main points, and your conclusion. As you go, you can use the formatting tools in the editor to add headings, links, or emphasis so your article is easy to read. I'm going to walk you through how to move on once you're happy with your draft. When you've finished writing and given everything a quick read through, look for the button that says Continue. Clicking Continue moves you into the settings and publishing options for your article. On this next screen, you'll see options related to your audience. One key setting is Allow Comments From. Here you can choose who is allowed to comment on your post, such as everyone, only subscribers, or only paid subscribers, depending on how you want to manage discussion and feedback. Take a moment to select the option that best fits the community you're building. You'll also see a place to add tags. Tags are short keywords or phrases that describe your article's topics. Adding tags can help organize your content and make it easier for readers to find related posts in your publication. Choose tags that are relevant and specific to what you've written about. I'll show you the easiest way to finish up. Look for the delivery or scheduling options. Here you can decide whether to send the article out immediately as an email to your subscribers or schedule it to go out at a later date and time. Scheduling is useful if you want consistent posting times or are planning ahead. Once you've reviewed your audience settings, tags, and delivery preferences, you're ready for the final step. Click Send if you want to email it to your subscribers right away, or click Publish if you just want it live on your Substack site. After that, your article is officially out in the world and ready for readers.